Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad Videos, Standard 10th, video number 14, Polynomials, Section B, Tough. Let's start. A polynomial ax raised to 6 plus bx cube plus c has at most dash zeros. Zeros means factors basically or roots. So at most how many factors will it have? Sure. What is the degree of this expression? Degree means the highest x raised to. So what is the highest x raised to 6? The degree, whatever the degree is, same will be the factors. So maximum power of x equals to 6. So 6 factors or zeros or roots, whatever you call it. Next, if one zero of the polynomial fx equals to k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k is the reciprocal of other, then k equals to, here 1 0 means what? One factor or root, whatever. So fx equals to k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k. Now how many roots would be there to this? Only 2 roots. Why? Because highest degree is x square. Okay. So let the factors be or roots be or zeros be a and b. Now what is given? One of them is reciprocal of other. So a equals to 1 upon b. Okay. What is next? Now the equation of ax square plus bx plus c is always the sum of the factors is what we have seen in our earlier videos. Minus b upon a. That is minus 13 upon k square plus 4. Right? Okay. Next, a into b is what? C upon a. So 4k upon k square plus 4. Now remember, these two are the general means accepted rules or the proven rules. But a plus b equals to minus 13 upon k square plus 4, that is not required for our problem. We only require this because there is a multi. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.